with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, you're careful.
Hey, Parry. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St. We are in St. Mary and yeah. We make some breakfast already and we are spending the day here today. Mr. The sun, you notice Uncle Murphy said the sun in and out.
In and out.
Yes.
Yes, Parry, we come on ourselves. St. Mary again, you know?
Yeah, St. Mary there. I see Uncle Murphy in my
Just
favorite
relax.
chair though.
Yeah.
Man, Uncle Murphy favorite chair.
Now what is this, Parry? Busy. This is busy.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna make some busy tea and
Yep.
get back home.
Yeah, and you also can keep it at home. It's
Yes.
very good for food. Any form of poison, any little, you know,
Yes.
feel like any little insect bite you or any little thing, you can drink a little of that before you reach to the medical facility. Yeah, them there's some little long time, first time home remedy where we use. Everybody the cola, basic, I think they use my Coca-Cola too, so them say no. So I feel when I feel little over the ages, ancient Coca-Cola. We happen to have quite a few amount of it here. I mean, remember if we have no tree island. One tree around this Saturday?
Yeah, man.
And big tree around this and landslide and it go where the next one are coming in. I think it's bearing though. So we are here, it's a very calm, cool, quiet day. And I'm giving the Lord thanks for it, and you should be giving thanks for another day too. Thank the Lord Jesus for one more time on the camera with you. And we are here. Guess what? We come here, we don't say show broke out, no. So we have to go do it thing with the power we want today. We don't have no show for look not in a bush, so we have to go look, but we carry some chicken back on me. I remember me I tell you, you know. But I must show you, sir, now. We make breakfast already, but we didn't put that on the camera. Sometimes you want to, sometimes you don't want to. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So I move with my spirit. If the spirit say no camera upon this Debbie, but let's move with the spirit, you know? So I think you gotta appreciate that. So we have some chicken back here. Some chicken back? Back. We have some chicken back, the imported one, but I have to go and roll with it. And we're going to make some either curry chicken back or boiled breadfruit and boiled banana. I don't know if you'll find dumpling, but if you're not get a dumpling also, we never get. I not flour in the fridge?
I'm not sure.
No man, if you flour there in there, I don't think go on is a flour there. So we will catch you in the next clip.
I'll pick some lime, you know.
And have them things them.
We have lime.
Have juice, you know, they saw them big. Yes. Tree well beer, man.
Yeah, man, tree beer.
We never carry no bag, man.
We never carry no bag, man. Remember, you know?
We will leave a lime on it, man.
Yeah, man, a beer. A big too.
See some, let's see. Yeah. So put them in your pocket.
The bigger one.
That's your party. Look on the size of them. Are them big? Oh. That's the size line, them, man.
Yeah, man.
Juicy.
Juicy. See, there's some come on a town a selfie. Some vote for money.
Yeah, and them not no juice in them.
No juice in them.
How much a dozen for lime now?
I cut that thing.
6 years.
They sell them deer.
Yeah,
man.
Sorry, so we are doing it around the tree bushy, so we have
bushy, yes.
Bush it round.
Push it round pie. Then we can beer. We're gonna put up there.
The big one.
Yeah.
All the big size one them. Them three they can't pick, man.
Yeah, them.
Oh, them are two, you know. Yeah. Breadfruit, see them well beer, but no breadfruit yet. All of them young.
Yeah.
Up here, so. All of them up here so young. They're going to have different crop, you know.
Yes.
Gotcha, man. You. Where if you not see them on here, man?
Yeah?
You don't see them on here. You're chop. You're chop, gotcha.
Yeah, go on, man.
Yay!
Some big one.
Man, look here.
Hey, me have something. TV a video.
Nothing wrong with that.
Barry, look on the clothes, look on that clothes. My go up and gully there, lad. Got up there and clean up back again. Lad, Uncle Murphy body is slightly too fat. Jesus. Uncle Murphy pants. Now look like we can't put nothing again. We have to go see some meat carry home. So on the sound now get apple.
Apple in there.
We have to go get energy for cook. We can't put on. We have to clean up the place.
What apple in there?
Me I go look one apple for eat. Lord of God. Uncle Murphy wet.
Tired.
Uncle Murphy wet.
You see how I'm short wet.
I really look for Uncle Murphy. He's saying get a good piece of workout. If he can get more like this with the ear, he must start making more babies.
Oh my God.
She had the bush thing going on.
Yeah, babush, I go party.
Yeah.
I tell her, say, so me sweat.
Yeah, man. Me tell you that me never go. Me never have energy to go there today.
Wet party.
Yeah, me have to go get some man to
Nice
support the
workout.
bush. Yeah. A good workout that yeah. You fall down. There. So let me show them say I saw.
Yeah, man, I saw a bush come on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But do you well wet there too, you know, you know, an extra shirt in the house? Eh?
Me want something like snake.
Wara? You know, say you're real crosses, brother. How it sound?
So tell him never.
I for me no know I'm snakes now. Me go no bother with me, you know. Don't start for me. Please do not.
Tell him how it sound, Murphy.
Me know what you say.
Snake.
Oh.
Then snake we up this distance see much bush because we have snake here, you know. But me don't know how big them be. Box cover.
So like a mongoose about the one.
Yeah, mongoose make them sound there too, you know. Hey God.
You
know, I forgot get to our money and don't forget some man clean over the tan body. Yeah, God Jesus. And people are come and make war. People are come and make argument and they not pay no money.
No money, they're not.
Be a chat. Eh? Parry, you know, see daddy, I see banana up there, so you see Nana, it arrive. Right run up. God, what is a snake? You go for over a bush board snake, you know, banana arrive. Don't back him mash up in the Lord of mercy. Don't bother chop you again. Me the back of you, no boy with the machete. You chop with the left hand. I said, you know, not there, not make it go down, go mash up. Any. Oh, you have to go down and go there. No, what they saw. You see, say you have to ear though. See zinc on your foot there. And the banana tree root not strong. But you know, say you're not smart. You're far from smart. You put your foot at the banana tree root to go down. It a jump out. Uncle Murphy. Terence, the banana tree go down. Just listen to me now. A straight in a river gully ma go today. Hey. What you pop out this a young banana, yeah. Me have to make sure me now move the camera for you, you know. Yeah, dig hole and put your foot. Yeah, you're sensible. So yeah, chop out it. Hey, come here, Murph. He's sensible, boy, sensible. Him not lose the work. He look nearly most in lose the banana. He right banana work, you know. Yeah. Murphy. When time he sees a girl, a girl him a go, you know. Hey, hold this Murph. Hold your Murph.
Hold on, brother.
Hold him.
Hold him.
Oh, such one of me, Murph. This is organic banana. And this right, but this we call organic banana.
Yes, right,
yeah,
naturally.
Yes, naturally, Murph.
Naturally,
you
right.
got animal mama can stay there and journey now. You get fear and we get fear.
I want to
Why you come up from down the gully now, you know? No. Terence, can't have something they come for me. Can't have a piece of creeper they come. It pretty.
Right there.
See it right there, so there. See it there,
This?
miss? Yes.
Oh,
Nice piece of hanging sitting this here, boy. Me put in one sitting on our front. This is the first thing me ever see you do, make you look like you're a countryman. How that? You hear somebody? I must see me mama and me papa. Me know me hear somebody a laugh. Eh? No, sir, look like a one of them old people they a laugh, yeah. Hey! I go leave me, I go, you know, a parry. Could they? And this me talk about when me tell you, say me I got a bush mouth. A bush mouth this. Round a bush mouth. And then where you go now, brother? How you go for?
You look busy to the market.
You go the cocoa?
You look busy to the market.
How long about your business? I go pick up busy. You might take an old zinc and sinting down there. That me I tell you. Hey Paris, sinting tan so tan good. When you bless, you're blessed. No matter where them do. Somebody see me in per country and so Miss Debbie, you look so go and fear. No, I breathe here, auntie, you look nice here. Auntie, you bleach. No, me not bleach. It's the goodness of God and His grace. Hallelujah. Amen. It is the goodness of God and His grace. I'm going into 58 years old. Me not have no makeup, me not have no wig, and me not bleaching, and me not have no high class face cream. But I just use a little olive oil on my skin every now and then. Yes. Yeah, little lines coming in and all of that. It's the goodness of God and His grace. So let me send out this to all my enemies, them out there. You all know yourselves, and me know I go watch. You can fight all you want. You can tear up yourself all you want. I am blessed. I'm telling you, when you're blessed, you're blessed. Because who God bless, Uncle Murphy? No man can curse. All you out there that are watching, when you get to watch this, if you know that you're a good person, and you have been doing good all along. And when you search yourself, you know you're not guilty and nothing. You know, say, you're not dig no pit for nobody. You're not form no weapon against nobody. Let them form them. Because all the weapons that they're forming, they'll come right back to them. When you're blessed, you're blessed. When you're blessed and you've been doing good all along, don't make no little dibby come make your curse and come off a track. Leave all vengeance unto God. You hear? Left all vengeance to Him. See me this cut banana round a back of house here. She una there, me no see him today. He gone boy in business, gone with him girl. Cause I think she a move now, you know. She think I get loud now, so she a move. You see me I say? So me there in a house here, me I do my business. Come in have to come here, come see me. My own big man go in and go do him own thing. You understand? So me there yard, I mean, but I cook, so me did all cook, but time I catch up and we tell the man and go bush and come back and enter yard. You know, bush up. So look here, me I do what civilized people do. I'm doing what civilized people do. Live and let others live. So all who are strive to see if they can tap me from live, let them do it. Because I am so blessed. I don't need to stress. The stress I didn't want to get out of, the Lord took me out of it. So, all who want to carry on, y'all carry on, because I know you're watching me. Y'all know yourselves, and when that one you hit you, you know, I know it's going to hit you. Parry, yeah, man. And I'm a regular parry them this far. They out there watch parry. They out there watch, and them know themselves. Yeah, because look here, I so stupidness them I do. I'm doing things that make sense. That make them same one while run up and down and I fight against me. I do things for them. Can survive too. But guess what? It is what it is. But let me tell you, when you're blessed, you're blessed. And you can give a beautiful smile. Look at the smile. Wow, beautiful, no cavities. And then you're all for me. When you're on a serious note, though, when you're blessed, you're blessed. Let no man let you go against your blessing. And when you see your blessing come, I've done a video on this some years back saying, try to keep yourself on the right track on this journey of life. Because when you have been doing good all your life and your blessing is about to come, and when them see say your blessing out for come, them come right in and want box you out. Anything what them for do? If you allow them, they'll do it and take it. But guess what? If you don't even get it, you not going to be able to angle it. Trust me, because guess what? I'm a fool now. So if you're watching me and you've been going through a lot of things and you know what you know. Hey, banana, oh. And you know what you know. Don't worry about it because God's got you. God's got you. Honey, God's got you. When you're blessed, you're blessed. I'll catch you in the next clip. You have to go on it up and make it drain. Like, I still have. You see, there's a rat did in there, you know. No rat, how you do? I dirt, that's some dirt get in there. Let's turn it and make it drain. Get one of the half an hour till you're ready to go, eh? No, man. Oh, yeah, brace it, it'll go break, you know. Alright, hold on a little. Hold on a little. It is say a banana, my mother. Okay, so my mother was banana expert. Right, banana. She buy banana sometimes she have. Sometimes she buy right banana if you go sell a market. So I know how to hand banana. You see it now? That nice on a banana too, you know? Yeah. Uncle Murphy one them might not. You know, so that knife you nearly cut me turns. Me ain't nothing with anything with knife will look like this, you know. Alright, so you see when you reach at the middle now, you have to go deep with it. You see me? It's the hand will break. You see it? Watch this. You see it? Alright. I teach you. You know, so next time you get banana for hand up and you're do it good, you lose the work. I don't care what your friend them want to say. I rat the dinner this. You see it? Then I always tell them, say, so, no buy banana and if you wash them. Rat the dinner that. Would all have picked me in there too. See that? You turn it down right this one. Yeah, tell us Uncle Murphy one good and not ripe with no colour, but we know that town.
Yeah.
We're a country, so like myself, we want to go ripe with colour. Alright, so. And you see? You know, put the right there so it's stain. Because if you put it, I'm going to make this ugly. So when it ripe, it's ugly. And the body don't want to buy. You go market, you know. You ever see some people with some pretty banana market? Everything take pains. You have to do it good. You don't put them on top of each other. We didn't want to see two fingers. We can't afford to throw it away, you know. And not even this year get a market again. Okay. Me don't know how to do this. We don't know how to deal with this. We don't cut it. Just cut in a toast and share it. Alright, so banana hand up. And then I don't with a knife here. I grow in the front. I'm going to plant that creeper. A creeper we call it, you know. But what is it? Anybody know the a creeper we call it? Creeper. You put it in there. No, no, right name. So we are doing a little gardening in St. Mary this time. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready to fix back the time. I'll get back the entire that turns. So, man, damage my tile. Tell them, no, man. You have some people, you see, man. Why me I tell you? Me never think me not see them again, you know. But anyway, see nice bug them down in there, dey? Alright, dey. Put two little stone down in at the bottom. You see that one there now? I guess we'll split it down because that burst. We just split it down. You get what I say? Split down the little pot and just put it down in there. And just put everything down in this. Or you think we should just wait until when we come back again we get some extra dirt? Extra dirt? Yeah, I would think so. So just empty out the extra bug then we could drop it back down in there. One extra dirt. But that one here, the one that we are going to deal with this, so there's something of dirt already, you know, so we not a thing there. Put it back now. Them are not working a kind of sun and catch them for them get no. For then get not charge. So we have to go when we come, we have to go make them get solar light then. All right, so
All right. This one.
Yeah, dry. Listen, I say dry it. Aye, that's bad. At the fern, you know. A fern, me never see fern dead like that. Anyway, me I get back another fern. It's dry. Fern love water. So, me think, yeah. But the root mice, you know, look.
Yes.
You see the root?
Dry up, man.
No, me I said the root, not the dirt, not all that dry.
Oh.
It wet.
Just one water.
All right.
They go put this in it.
No, Terence, you know, follow protocol. Cut off the other one too. All right, put it in. Oh, yeah, all right. Put it to the side. Take time, Terence. Please, dig it deeper. On different, whenever they have no nice snake plant at the house.
No.
That type, yeah, we have any of these? It's a different type. I did I tell you still you should have damped the dirt first.
You can't damp it after, man.
I know, but I'm saying doing it first makes make no more sense.
It will go and dirt.
You're not the right person to angle the plant then because you're too rough. You put too much. I think send up only for root, you know.
One more?
No, fix them. So we have a next spot here, you know, we can go in, you know. Where the water? Alright. How did they get that dirt here from? I'm Murphy, did they dig up that dirt here now? Alright, I think if you put no more. That's that.
Water, though.
Yeah.
Dry, you know.
Yeah, but I not think.
That good, man.
Yeah, I don't want it too much. That one right here, so. Uncle Murphy dig up them dirty, you know, Terence. Yeah, man. Me not forgot when Uncle Murphy dig up that dirty underneath this, so. I mean, so Uncle Murphy, I will get them dirty from. Alright, I think you should have damp it little first. Get it for go down in it easier.
It's for the now one, yeah.
You know, oh, it's so dry. But still dampy. You know what dampy?
When they put in the damp it.
I want a piece of cloth to clean them up, but me not really. Alright, let's dig it deep and put them there alone in there. In the middle. Where I gonna put the next one there? In the middle, did in the middle. Not to the side. Because we just put the two of them together. No, sir, that not dig deep. Use the machete and just use the machete, man. And just part back the dirt and then the puff away in there. You know, so you lose the work you have to do. You just lose it, you know. You sure you said that not deep?
Deep, man.
No. Right. Let me get a shot at it now. Let me do it now. Let me do it, please. Can I do it? Yeah. Alright, Parry, may I try my hand at it now. Make that go and soak with it. That go and soak with it. I go on with two of them. The plant here one nice plant, but I don't know why it looks so. When I take time I come now, then can't start them again, this.
Okay, yeah.
Can't stop them again. Watch this. You see this? Yeah. You see when you wet the dirt, you can't forget the depth. You understand? That's why I tell you, say wet the dirt. You see it? Yeah, but you see, man, Jesus. Trust me. If someone uno.
But that not going down the west.
Alright, nobody come with that now. I try see if you can throw your nose a camera with the pan. You come with a bag of arms out. Nobody with that. Parents no comment. You say no for uno man. If you don't listen to one wife or one woman say, so arms out, so no one get in at them, you know. They'll come over water. The dirty I want rich dirty, but we make so much stone in there, like that. Like river shingle. No, sir. This dirt here is very rich, but too much stone, man. I'll back it. Go on. How will my old stone come from there? No, sir. I pick them out after now. Like a river shingle. Alright. But you know, see me put my hand. Because Dima go on like say, me can't do nothing. How are them here? But no, brother. I never see them here with some all clothes. Must have wash me hand. Alright. This dirt is very rich. Where one we broke up, we would something will fly up there. Because there's no film part where you see something when you just pass and you look in there. Alright, this is here. Now clean off the ones are cloth and water. Yeah, me I go do it, man. These are the same thing, but are different inside. That one here, or the more one where everybody likes. Yeah. I hope them members say me planting. Oh, see it here. How you lean so? How I go on?
Yeah.
Plant it. Boy! Mulch up now for one here.
Yeah.
Up on lad. In cans up and bread. I don't care this, you know, if this scratch you. You know, them I sell them for they can't tell if it scratch you. Which one this? Biggest thing, when you come back again, you need to don't get big of me. Get your mama done, man. Before time people probably remember, would I say, your mama ton, man. I don't want to scratch me, I don't like how you say for me, and I never want to trouble, I want to say, like how you catch up. I don't want to trouble him, I don't want to give too much water either. I got them arms out there. This now, never gonna get a pot feed this way. Then take how much it should. Then it see finally I come up.
Yeah.
One next one, yeah. Then I finally catch up. And all of them lovely sitting there. So now they say there, you know what one here it a fall down. So the old, you know. So the young one there, but this is a very beautiful plant here. You know what I mean?
You can cut it and plant right on it. You can cut it.
Yeah, go do it when you're done, do it when you're done. Me tired. Alright. What me for water now? Me not got my water.
No, just one over a corner there.
Yeah, one. Oh, this.
That one.
Okay. This is pretty moist. This not one of water. If I just do this, just wet him up. I not give this no water. Neither this. Oh, for Jesus. Where's I give this look? Yeah. But the dirt is pretty moist there. Let's not touch it up a little bit. One clean off the pot there though. I've found a few nice spots here. Yeah. Alright now. We're gonna put. Alright, Barry. You kind of push back this to the corner. So you make the liquor. Oh, down here so look so like you wet. I got that one. Wipe properly. You see that? You see this down here upon that on the tile? Okay, I true we know wipe the dust and the dirt. But it's okay when we think that we can always clean. But maybe me end up I got changing tile. I never really want to change them, I never really like them. So Paris, see. I look a job leave down there, so you know. But
Yeah, I'll cut it off.
you got it?
Yeah, man.
But I will I don't know how I go on feet. How I go on feet, how it looks so. Me and it look on it on the same movements. Now go on good. But things will be better one day. Me I tell you like me guarantee you know my plant them are gonna look good again. Yeah? Alright, so we have one little one if we put in our next big pot, but as we go along. Yeah, pretty nice little pots and just want some nice flowers. Not flowers, no flowers in it. These are plants. Flowers are pretty. Nobody hear me I say flowers sound like me don't know nothing. All near go. These are plants. Flowers are pretty.